Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. So guys, on today's recipe we're going to be making cabbage stir fry. So for this cabbage stir fry, I'm going to be using half cabbage, 2 spring onion, half yellow bell pepper, half red bell pepper, 1 onion, and 1 scotch bonnet pepper to spicy it up. And I'm also going to be using some sausage. I'm going to be using 3 sausages. So guys, for the first step, I'll go ahead and start slicing the sausage. And you can go ahead and slice this sausage to your size and the shape that you like. After slicing the sausages, I'll go ahead and set this in a plate. And right now, I'll get my cabbage and I'm going to be taking off the core of the cabbage. And I'll go ahead and slice this cabbage into a very big size. You can go ahead and slice the cabbage into the size that you like. After slicing the cabbage, I'll go ahead and set this aside. And right now, I will start slicing my onion. So right now, I will start slicing my yellow bell pepper. And also, I'll go ahead and slice the red bell pepper. So guys, if you don't like spicy, you can go ahead and skip the scotch bonnet pepper. I'm also going to be chopping the green side and the white side of the spring onion, as this is also going to give it a very nice flavor. So right into my wok, I'll go ahead and add in just a tablespoon of olive oil. You can go ahead and use any oil of your choice, or you can also use butter for this recipe. So I'll add in my sausage and I'm going to be stir frying this on a high heat. So right now, I'll go ahead and add in some black peppers. For all the ingredients I'm using on this recipe, I have them all listed on the description box. Do check it out so you can access it anytime you want to make yours. And I will also add in some garlic paste. I'm not going to be adding in any salt to this sausage, as the sausage already comes salted. So I'm going to be stir frying this on a high heat for about 8 minutes. And when I'm done stir frying this for 8 minutes, I will set it in my plate. So into my pot, I'll add in 1 more tablespoon of olive oil again, and I'm going to use this to wet my pot. I'll add in my onion. And I'm going to be stir frying this on a medium heat for 2 minutes. And right now, I'll go ahead and add in my yellow and red bell peppers. I will stir this up together, and after stir frying it, I'm going to be adding in some dry thyme, some black peppers. I'm using my vegetable stock cube for this, as I want this to come out very healthy. So I'm going to be adding 1 vegetable stock cube, and I'm going to stir this up together and allow it to stir fry for about 4 minutes. So right now I'll add in some salt, more garlic paste, and I'll go ahead and add in my already cleaned cabbage. I'm going to be stir frying this cabbage on a medium heat, and I will make sure I stir this up together properly. After stirring it together, I'll go ahead and add in my spring onion at this time. And I'll stir this up together. So after stirring this together, I will get any pot cover and cover this and allow it to cook for about 4 minutes on a medium heat. And after 4 minutes, my cabbage stir fry is ready. I will just go ahead right now and add in my already stir fried sausage. And I'm going to stir this up together and allow it to cook together for just about 2 minutes. And that's my delicious healthy stir-fried cabbage ready. You can go ahead and enjoy this with your family. And thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button. Click on the bell icon that goes with it. That's where you will never miss any of my uploads. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you think this video deserves one. And don't forget to drop me a comment on my comment section, as I'm always ready to give answers to your questions. Thank you so much for watching. Till I see you on my next recipe. Do have a lovely day. Do have a beautiful day. Bye bye.